Man, happy new year to the crew. Hope y'all have a blessed and prosperous new year. And we're just dropping some catfish in the deep fryer. Alright, crew, so I'm gonna show y'all the rest of our Thanksgiving. Nah, I'm joking. But New Year dinner. So first we're gonna start here. We got those good old Southern black eyed peas with the smoked pigtails. That's one. Then we have our white rice right there. And we're gonna come over here. We have those good old collard greens. And they meaty too, with that good old turkey. And we got one big old ham mock. And it's tender, y'all. Look at that. And then we're gonna come back here to our cabbage. Get in there. We'll get you some. Look at that. And it is seasoned with bacon. Then over here we got a little protein. For the protein. We have our fried shrimp. Seasoned to perfection. And then back here we have our fried catfish. And I did the cabbage, the greens, the black eyed peas, the rice, the fried shrimp, and the fried catfish. And over here, my lovely baby, she did her candy yam.
Right on camera, they look like they sweet. Them thighs look like they diabetes. I'm just playing.
Diabetes.
I did my glaze.
up?
No, I did brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, and butter.
And ketchup. No, I'm joking. Alright, then we have my baby. Mac and cheese.
They said they wanted the white cheese and not the yellow cheese. So I gave them what they... Well, they got yellow cheese. They just wanted the shredded cheese.
I was wondering why I was looking Caucasian. No, I'm joking.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Let me see a spoon right quick, because you ain't finna thug
So,
me.
we got a...
Let me see a spoon. Just give me a spoon so they can see. That regular spoon. Because y'all ain't gonna thug Alicia. Look. They do have yellow cheese in here, because I'm just going to show y'all so y'all can see that white meat is, in fact, greasy. See? Now, don't do me, baby. Look at that. They do have yellow cheese in here, but they just requested that they wanted the white cheese as well.
It's cheesy, too. Got a nice little cheese.
Don't do me. Don't do me, baby.
Okay. Come through.
Philip picked out that cheese. So. Now, I just had to clarify that.
Yeah, and Greedy been eating her cornbread.
Oh, I did. I've been eating my cornbread. I forgot he was going to do a video. And then my sweet potatoes, I do got glazed. Because again, y'all ain't finna thug me. Because he had time to show y'all his food.
I was going to do that too.
Oh, okay.
But hey, we just multitasking.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, put a little bit more. Just a little bit more with them. Real slow. Do it slow, baby.
And they
slow
tender
motion.
too.
Slow motion for me. Hey,
And they are tender. They not dry nothing.
If you know, you know.
But you gotta have that glaze. You gotta be that sticky icky. If y'all don't have the sticky icky and yams, what is you doing?
We don't want them. Keep them.
Anyway.
And he ain't got that Caucasian Mac.
Shut
I don't
up.
know, but I'm joking.
Whatever. You don't get out with my macaroni. They yellow. Look at that. Let me show y'all. Let me light my light. See, look at that. Now don't play with me.
Oh, yeah,
You
y'all
need to
see
do
that?
your light. See, it is yellow. It's just the camera be having it looking white. Don't do me. Look at that. Look at that. Now you show them. Put your light on.
I did.
See, cause y'all, people come for you.
It's a joke.
They come for
a
you.
joke. They'll be all right.
My macaroni is very.
That light. All right, so give y'all the rest one more time. Our cornbread, our mac and cheese, our yams, our fried catfish, our fried shrimp, our collard greens. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. No, I'm joking. Cabbage, our black eyed peas, and our rice.
Everything look good. Oh, and we got a cake. We got a chocolate cake on the table.
Yeah. So yeah, this is our lineup for New Year's. I hope everyone enjoyed their day. And don't forget.
Y'all, my cornbread be looking like cake.
And don't forget that you're blessed, you're highly favored, and no matter what you're going through, it's always someone else going through maybe something similar or something different from you. But never give up. Don't quit. 2025, push through, pray until something happens, have faith until something happens, speak until something happens. If you gotta clap, clap. If you gotta jump, jump. If you gotta yell, yell. Whatever it takes to keep you motivated to continue to push through 2025. Keep going. 2024 didn't break you, so allow 2025 to make you, baby. And you already know the saying, pops out along with Queen. Peace.